I got this great idea for a DIY cleaning solution from Sweet Gum Home, and I thought, well, let me share it with you. So super easy, sustainable, it doesn't cost much. I really get sick of, having cleaning supplies in the cart and you end up spending a whole bunch of money and you don't even have any food yet. So it's 50-50 white vinegar and water to start with. So I'm just looking to see, I think I'll do a cup of each because I'm not 100% sure what this container will hold, but we'll see. So I'm going to go in with the vinegar first. This is just a spray bottle I bought on Amazon, but you could probably reuse something that you have, just clean it out really well. But I find that these triggers hold up really well. And then I'm going to do an equal part of water. So we'll just do that, let that fill up, perfect. So 50-50, so any quantities. And by the way, you can buy vinegar really cheap, even a whole gallon of it if you need to, because it has so many purposes. All right, so I have that, and the final ingredient for this is 10 drops of essential oil. I happen to have orange, but you could use any scent that you like. I thought orange would be nice and refreshing for the kitchen, so 10 drops. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I missed with one. I'll just add a little more. There we go. All right, that should be good. And I always put one of their Swedish Dish cloths underneath when I'm doing something, and then I can just wipe it away. That's usually the plan. All right. Well, I'll tell you one thing, this is a whole lot cheaper than the stuff that they sell, and I don't have to worry about the container waste because I'll just keep making it in this. Just gonna give it a little shake. Oh, it smells good. I love it. Okay, well, this will work great with these Swedish dishcloths for cleaning up the counter, for the cabinets, around the stove. I love to wipe the sink out clean, and the sink handles, the front of the refrigerator. So this is gonna work out great. So make yourself some. I know it's time for spring cleaning, love it or not.